Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to claim insurance in Shopee. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. So step number one is the shipping protection or Shopee guarantee. Shopee covers you if your item doesn't arrive, is damaged, or has other shipping issues. So steps to claim is step number one is to go to purchases. In the Shopee app, don't confirm receipt of the item yet. Step number two is to click return or refund for your order. Step number three is to choose the issue, for example, no delivery or damaged item. Step number four is to upload evidence like photos of the damaged packaging. And for the last step is to wait for Shopee's response to resolve the claim. Next is the product protection insurance. Covers damage or malfunction products after purchase, usually from a third-party insurer. So here are the steps to claim. Step number one is to find your order under My Purchases. Step number two is to locate the insurance details. And then next is to contact the insurance provider. Info in your policy. Step number four is to submit required documents like proof of purchase, products, photos. And step number five, and the last one, is to follow the provider's instructions to get a repair, replacement, or a refund. For accident or health insurance via Shopee, here are the steps to claim. Step number one is to find your policy number and details. Step number two is to contact the insurance provider. Info is in your policy. And step number three is to prepare documents like medical reports or bills. For step number four is to submit your claim to the insurance company. And step number five, and the last one, is to wait for the insurer to process and provide compensation based on your policy. And there you go. That's how you can claim insurance on Shopee. Remember to always check if your item has insurance when purchasing. And I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!